Hello everyone, I'm Pauline Angel from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Karunya. In this video, I'm going to show you how to display temperature on LCD using Arduino. For this, I'm using an online simulator called Tinkercad. So, let's see how to do that. For this, I have already built the circuit. So, I will explain you how I did this. So first I have placed an Arduino here, and then I placed a breadboard here, and then on the breadboard I placed an LCD here. So this is what we called an LCD. So after this we can connect the pins one by one. So for this ground of the LCD I have connected to the ground of Arduino, and then the power of the LCD from which we are going to give power to the LCD, I have connected to the 5-volt pin on the Arduino. From Arduino we are going to get the power for the LCD. So these two pins, which are contrast and read and write pins, these two we can connect them to the ground, and in the middle we have other one called register select. For this pin and enable pin, we have to mandatorily connect them to these 12 and 11 pin charges on the Arduino. It is mandatory to connect to 12 and 11 pin charges to the register select and enable pins on the LCD. And then these 4 pins, which are DB4, DB5, DB6 and DB7, these 4 are also mandatorily connected to these 4 pin charges on the Arduino. It is mandatory to connect these 4 pins, only 5, 4, 3 and 2 pin charges on the Arduino, to these 4 pins on the LCD. And then the LED pin on the Arduino, on the LCD, we have to connect it to the 5-volt charge on the Arduino, because from this we are going to give the power that is required to the LCD that has to display on the LED, power for the LED that has to display on the LCD. So, and then for the LED we need a resistor. So I have placed a resistor here, and then I have connected it to the ground of the Arduino. So after that, our main important thing is to display temperature. So for this I have placed a temperature sensor here. So after that I have connected the power of the sensor, power pin of the sensor to the 5-volt on the Arduino, and then the ground of the temperature to the ground of the Arduino. And then finally the middle one is the V out, which is volt out. I have connected it to the analog pin here, A2 analog pin on the Arduino. So we can connect to any of the analog pins here. I have connected to the A2 pin. So this is how we connect these connections. So for the coding part, I have first taken the library function here, library function called liquid crystal. So with using this function we can we have to write all the pin charges that we have connected, and then I have included a variable called temperature. Since we are going to read the temperature, first I am initializing the temperature to 0, and then we have to give the starting and ending pins that we have connected, and the pin mode for the temperature, which is going to be the input of the LCD. We have connected it to the A2 pin charge here, analog pin. So I have given this as the input. And then coming to the loop function here, in the loop we are going to give the condition for the temperature that it has to read the sensor. So for the sensor I'm giving this condition temperature formula, and then it has to display the temperature, right? So we have to print the temperature that the sensor is reading. So the readed temperature by the sensor has to be printed on the LCD. So I have given this called temperature, and then we have to print the temperature. So after writing the code, we can start simulation. Let's see how this temperature is going to get displayed on the LCD. So I'm initializing it. See, by default the temperature it is reading as 24. So let's see if we change the temperature. So as you are seeing it, whenever I'm changing the temperature, the sensor is reading the different temperature readings here, and it is displaying on the LCD. So this is how we build this circuit to display the temperature on the LCD using Arduino. Hope you understood this well. Thank you for watching and have a great day.